I'll guide you through how to monetize a Facebook group without relying on unpredictable affiliate income or having to start a brand new paid community from scratch. If you're looking to create a predictable, recurring revenue stream from your community, or you want to finally start getting paid for the value you provide in your group, and you need to master the core strategies for Facebook group monetization, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The most reliable path to Facebook group income involves 3 core pillars. We are not selling products. We are building a business. Let's start with the most powerful one, the paywall bridge. You need to understand a crucial roadblock. Facebook doesn't allow you to directly convert an existing free private group into a paid one. If you try, you lose all your momentum. The smarter way is to build a paywall bridge using an external platform. This platform handles the sign-up, payment, and cancellation, giving you total control, while your Facebook group remains the community space you host. Here's how. Step 1. Choose and set up your bridge platform. You can use a dedicated membership platform like MemberSpace or Circle for maximum control, or a creator platform like Patreon for simplicity. Go to your chosen platform, create a subscription product, and generate the unique checkout link. Step 2. Gate your Facebook group. Go to your group settings and implement the vetting loop. First, update your group description to clearly state that it is now a paid community and that new applicants must pay first. Second, set up the membership questions to include: what is the exact email address you use to sign up for your paid membership? Step 3. Approve applicants. When a new person applies, you simply cross-reference the email address they provide in the question field with your paid member list on your external platform. If the payment is active, you approve it. This secure loop ensures only paying members get in. The second path is the product sales and affiliate income. This is how you make money from your group today, even while your membership is still growing. Step 1. Create and promote your own digital products. The fastest income comes from solving a problem your audience has. Create a high-value, low-cost digital product like a template or a checklist that relates to your niche. Pin a featured post in your group that clearly links directly to your sales page. This capitalizes on your group's existing engagement. Step 2. Implement ethical affiliate marketing. This is how you make money from your group today, even while your membership is still growing. Affiliate income is built on trust. Instead of spamming your feed, create a separate, permanent recommended resources file or guide. Populate this guide with only the tools you genuinely use, and include your affiliate links inside. Then pin the guide to your group's featured section, turning a sales tactic into a helpful resource. The final path is sponsorships and partnerships. This is about leveraging your community's influence. Step 1. Understand your value, which is your engagement rate. Brands only care about your engagement rate, not just your raw member count. A group with a high percentage of active members proves to a brand that their content will actually be seen. Step 2. Pitch structured packages. Approach brands that solve a specific problem your members talk about. Offer structured packages like a sticky announcement post for 7 days, or pitch them on a co-hosted live session, a live event that you run together to maximize visibility for both of you. This allows them to purchase a specific, valuable action in your community. For more on online community and payment management, check out the description below. Now that you've learned how to monetize a Facebook group, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Facebook video tutorials. Thanks for watching.